lo que queda.
Hi, so I wanted to talk to you guys about how I get these kids to take vitamin C. And one thing that I really love to do is liposomal vitamin C. And the reason why is because 1,000 milligrams of this is actually like 3,000 to 4,000 of regular, because of liposomal actually gets to your cells more. So this is a great way to get a lot of vitamin C into your kids. But the problem is these don't really taste that great. So if you try to just open this packet and down it, it's like a gel. It tastes kind of gross. So what we figured out was we take one of these, and I'm sure many of you have this in your house because it's for coffee and you froth your coffee, or if you just have the stick one, that's fine too. This is kind of nice because there's a cold setting on it. So if you hold it down for 2 seconds, yep. It goes to this cold. Yeah, see how it's blue? So anyway, I take orange juice. There's already some in there, but we take some orange juice, put it in there. I open up my liposomal packet. You don't like it? I know.
I love it.
You pour this in here. Again, there's already one in there.
I love it. I take an average of 2 sips every
Here, and then
20 days. Yeah, so after you put the stuff in.
Yeah, what happens, 40?
Then we get our glass.
Yeah.
We stop it, and we drink it, and it tastes like orange juice. Just
Yeah, because it's sort of blended in there, and it takes away the taste of it. So if you just pour it in there, it kind of sits to the bottom.
Yeah, and you want to also, you want to eat before you do it, because it makes my tummy hurt.
Yeah, that's true. He still makes this guy's tummy hurt, so you want to have like a piece of toast or something before you take vitamin C. A lot of vitamin C kind of upsets the stomach.
Make sure you down it.
Yeah, so he downed it. He's got his 1,000, which is really more like 3 or 4, which is great. And then the other thing we love to do is
Silver.
Silver.
I love silver. That tastes like water.
Yeah, it doesn't taste bad. So we do a teaspoon a day. Booney, I'll let you do it.
Yes, because we've got to down the vitamin C.
Yeah, so you just do a teaspoon of this.
Then.
Tell us how it tastes, Boone.
And that's quality water.
And then we have one more tricks of the trade, and this is a nebulizer.
That one?
Yeah, so you can do this one. And I cleaned it, so it's clean. But you take silver, and this is silver hydrosol, and you put about 2 dropperfuls in here.
No. 1, 2.
And the dropperfuls are like, well, maybe a little more than that.
3.
It didn't go up as high as I wanted it to go, yeah.
3.
And then you nebulize this, so it gets into your lungs. Kills any viral infections in your lungs.
Okay.
Can you see that?
Yeah. It's
Let's
like
see.
smoke comes out. Wait, don't waste it.
Oh, okay, don't waste it. Okay. And that's what we do.